knit from the sole. Cast on 10 loops and knit plain knitting near 11 centimeters. Near 11 centimeters. Here are 11 centimeters. Now cast on 20 loops in each side. Now cast on 20 loops on each side. Add 20 loop. I clean this side. Here and cast on 20 loops on this side. And there is this part. Now we knit 3 rows with knit loops only. Here it is very simple. Now knit 3 rows with plain knitting. It looks like this. Now we knit 5 rows with knit loops only. Here 3 rows plus 3 plus 5. This is this high. Mark 10 middle loops. I knit the next row only until this loop. Only until this loop. This loop I knit together with next. Together with next. On the back row we need only 10 loops. 10s together with next. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10s together with next. And here is plain knitting. Now 10 loops only and 10s together with next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 together with next. Now continue with knit loops only. It's a 5 rows. Tens loops, 10 loops, tens with next loop together with next. And tens together with next. We have here 3 rows, 5, 3, 5 and 3. Continue pattern until 13 loops on each side. 13 loops on each side. Now knit together all loops. Now all loops on one needle. Continue to knit with a rib knitting. Knit rib knitting near 10 centimeters. Here I need 10 centimeters rib knitting. It looks like this. Now bind off all loops. Bind off all loops. Now we need to sew back seam. And at the end we sew the sole. That's all. We have ended our booties.